What's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Today we got a 2016 Chevrolet 1500 Crew Cab High Country, four-wheel drive, one-owner truck straight out of Texas. This truck is in immaculate shape inside and out. Body is in beautiful, beautiful condition. Paint's still like new. Interior just as nice. Only a 33,000 mile truck, so still under full factory warranty. Truck's got a 6-inch Pro Comp lift, 6-inch Pro Comp wheels, 6-inch lift, Pro Comp tires, Pro Comp wheels, 20 by 10s. Drives like a factory truck too. It's got a back rack. It is removable. It's just bolted on the top of the bed rail, so they can easily be removed if you do not like it. If you like it, perfect. It's there, fully functional, ready to roll. And you can see in the video, straight out of detail, you can see how nice the black paint is. Look at the reflection in the background. All factory paint, no accidents, no issues. Mechanically raring to go. It's sunny as hell out today, so it's kind of hard to get a good video without the sun getting sun glare. But anyway, I wanted to get a video out to you guys so you can see it real quick. You can see a very few small amount of rock chips on the very front bumper. The rest of the truck immaculate. Let me give you a couple shots of the inside. And obviously this is finished off in the High Country interior, the special tan with the lighter tan piping, stitched with High Country. Center console's in perfect shape. Charge your cell phone. Factory navigation, heated seats, cooled seats, lane assist, the whole 9 yards. Factory Bose stereo. This truck basically has almost every option except for the sunroof. So again, 2016 High Country. There's gonna be tons of information directly on my website. You can view this video via my Instagram or directly at my YouTube channel, which is DLUX Motorsports, or Instagram DLUX_motorsports. It's a good way to find us and see more trucks that are upcoming or some that just got finished. You can also see the YouTube links to our videos directly on our website on each vehicle. Under each of the vehicle listings, you'll see video. You just click video, it'll shoot you right into our YouTube link to be able to see videos like this. So anyway, if you're out of state, I will ship it straight to your doorstep. You will be 100% satisfied. Zero rust. Like I said, the body, you can see just from here how clean and nice the paint is and how reflective it is. Again, all the upgrades will be on our website. If you got any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300.